'22 model refresh, the high-performance Audi S8 is updated with a wider single-frame grille, larger air intakes in the front bumper, and redesigned headlights. The quad exhaust muffler also sets the S8 apart from its regular A8 sibling. As standard, the S8 is equipped with predictive active suspension, sport differential, and dynamic all-wheel steering for a more engaging driving experience. As before, the cabin is equipped with a 10.1-inch top screen, an 8.6-inch bottom screen, and a 12.3-inch digital carryover dashboard, but two 10.1-inch screens can now be added to the rear seats for rear passengers. Under the hood, the 2022 S8 packs a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 that makes 563 horsepower and 590 lb-ft, allowing the performance sedan to accelerate from 0-62 mph in 3.8 seconds. Power is sent to all four wheels via Audi's standard Quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic gearbox. In the US, the 2022 Audi S8 will be available exclusively with a long wheelbase. US pricing is yet to be confirmed, but the European S8 will start at €144,800 or $168,135.